Welcome back to our, I believe it's 23rd C# tutorial. It's 23rd or 24th, I'm not too sure. In this video we're going to deal with the implicit conversions. Now there's two types of conversions. One's implicit, which we'll be dealing with in this video, and I don't know how to spell it. Implicit, there we go. And the other is explicit. So now, the difference between these will be shown over the next couple of videos, but since we're going to start with implicit, we'll just do an implicit conversion. Now, I'm going to get rid of this word because it's not liking it, and we'll get rid of the explicit as well because it's picking up errors. And now I'm also going to create a float b which equals a. Now we'll do console.writeLine, and we will just put in the value b and close the brackets. So we're going to just run this program. It'll take some time to run first off. Now what I want to talk about is this float value. Now the reason why the float can do an implicit conversion to an integer is because a float contains a much larger range of values. This means that absolutely no data can be lost from converting an int to a float. So if I were to put a value, this in int, it's recognized that the int is too big. So if I were to put that value in as a float, then the data would just accept it and run it clear. So if we run this again, we can see that when converted to a float, it's got 1.328924 times 10 to the power of 7. That's what this e means. It's times 10 to the power of 7. Now, not going to worry about that at the moment, but what we do need to remember is that because the integer value is smaller, it can be converted between an int and a float just within the compiler. Now that's what implicit means. It's converted within the compiler, so the computer's handling it for us. Sorry, I don't even know if I made a mistake there, but that's what we need to remember, that for these kind of values we can convert ints to floats without worrying about whether or not it's going to be, well, whether or not we're going to lose anything. So that was it for implicit conversions. In the next video we're going to deal with an explicit conversion. So anyway, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and with any issues or queries about this video or others, just remember to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.